Hey, can you teach me how to make pancakes?
Pancake? Yeah, sure.
Okay, what do we do?
At first we need flour, eggs, milk and oil.
Okay, what do we do?
We put them all into a large...
You mean a large bowl?
Yeah, it's a bowl and then you have to...
Stir.
Yes, you have to stir, but not stir.
Stir very fast. You mean whisk.
Right, then you have to whisk everything. Then you need
A frying pan?
yes, a frying pan, and then you need to
You pour.
right, you pour everything into the frying pan and then you heat the frying pan, and after 2 or 3 minutes you